private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child. And then won't lay today, make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think.
No, I've been in love for a while. You gon' make me fall in love for a while. I've been out there as a last for a while.
Good.
Baby girl got me
It smells so
obsessed for a while, babe.
Just need to rub it in.
Pick up whenever you call. In the parking lot in Tucson, like, are you with me? In the phantom with the roof gone. I pull up like Jimmy Neutron. I can help you get a move on, like you haul. And I know you like to go slow, but we could go faster. Let me the pressure. Slide city, you know what that means. I'm coming up on you quickly. I bring nice things. Slide, any other man tryna. Baby boy, stay on my mind. Feel nothing. Come on, girl, tell me how you feel.
Just wash it up, and then you rinse it up. You use a small towel or paper towel, or this is too big. So I'm using this to wipe my face because I don't have a baby towel.
Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? Who? Yeah. OVO Sound 2025. Who's calling that shit?
Is it Stacy? Is it Becky? Is it Keisha? Is it Becky? Was it Danny?
That's sunscreen. Sunscreen.
Where the fuck the function? Where the fuck the function?
Okay.
The way I feel right now, I feel like we need to be all alone.
I need to do like this.
Just playing around, you need to tell your girl, take a fine ass home, and that's real. Stop teasing me. Stop teasing me. I could change your life so easily. I can't stay, but you're leaving me. Leaving me. We got snitched in the club illegally. Got the whole 6 side, you leaving me. We got members east of the DVP. We got members west on the 401. We got a lock on the game, but there's more to come. You gotta pot that ass in the morning come. You want shots for the girls, then order some. Who's calling that? Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? Who? Hey.
Is it
Stacy?
Is it
Becky?
Is it
Keisha?
Is it
Ashley?
Was it
Danny? Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit?